So there's a big question that all Shiba Inu holders want the answer to right now. And that is, are we going up in October or are we going down in October? That's what most people care about. And we actually have some data that might give us a very high probability of what direction we might be headed in this month in October. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell. Again, it's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So first of all, Shiba Inu went on a retracement yesterday along with the overall crypto market. It's not surprising at all. You know, we talked about a cool down, a little bit of a pullback. Didn't expect it to start dropping as much as it did. But the good news is that we stayed above our 200-day moving average. We're sitting actually above the support from June. So we're actually in a very good spot with Shib right now. And what we've kind of been going through is this process of long-term holders accumulating Shiba Inu, pulling from exchanges, people not wanting to sell. And frankly, we're getting ready to try to make a second stab through this break box. This is all loading up while BTC is trying to hold its support as well and see if we can make this extension and break. And basically, if October, historically speaking, is going to hold true, the month where the crypto market in general begins to take off. And what's interesting about this is when we look at what Shiba Inu has done historically speaking, there has not been a tracked month for Shib that has been a red month. All right. Just looking at some of these months in the past, for example, October of 2021, height of the bull market cycle, 833% increase. 2022, even during the bear market, a 10% increase. And even in 2023, still last part of the bear market cycle, but leading into the beginning of the bull, up 6%. So we have had this continuation of just good October in terms of Shib. October of 2020 is kind of a question because that was even before Shib gained traction. Shib was like a couple months old at that point, but you guys get the point. October is when the market tends to get a little bit more lively, get a bit more excitement, capital starts flowing more freely. And again, that's when Shiba Inu tends to perform its best. So the question is then, are we going to see this triple digit gain like we did for an average of all Octobers? All right. So what I will say is, again, Shib is trying to prep for this move. And it's a question of, do we kind of retrace, come back down here and retest like it actually talks about in this article? It's talking about an inverse head and shoulders playing out. Right. And I find that very difficult to fathom Shib doing that, because of how strong it's looking up in these levels. It's possible. Anything's possible, right? BTC could drop from here. We're showing a lot of resilience right now, but frankly, we're kind of in that point where the markets might make some very violent moves before it confirms the direction. If we look at last market cycle, for example, it took until October 15th, which is back here, before everything began to take off. Maybe we do one of these where we kind of, trickle down in terms of Shib, creating that inverse right shoulder before, wow, that was horrible, before things take off, right? I am more on the bullish side here. It wouldn't surprise me if we kind of bop around, maybe make an extension and then do something like that, right? But we'll have to wait and see how the capital flows look. We'll have to wait and see if institutional money continues following the same trends that they've been on here. Again, BlackRock contributing in a big way. Hopefully that continues to be the case. Hopefully they set the tone for the rest of institutional money. Right now, what I will say is this is, there are some good opportunities that have continued to flash on my indicator. If you guys want to check that out, feel free to do so. There was a buy zone opportunity that flashed the other day. Obviously, price is below that right now. Again, I saw somebody comment about this. It doesn't always identify the bottom, guys. It gives you what may be a good opportunity to accumulate, maybe a good opportunity to sell or take some profit. Feel free to check that out. And frankly, guys, my confidence in Shib right now is very high. I believe that we have a very good month ahead. And like it says below, this isn't to guarantee or financial advice or anything like that. Me personally, I have all my long positions open. Unfortunately, Margex is undergoing maintenance right now. Haven't closed my ADA long, haven't closed my Shib long. I know what these next few months, especially during the bull market, bring. They bring excitement, they bring new capital, they bring new users. And again, Shib performs extremely well during those times. I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. Do we have a nice explosive month for Shiba Inu head? Is this the start of what will become alt season? Is this where the market takes some very big moves, Shiba Inu included? Have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.